Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be a video on how to change the speedometer gear on the end of the cable. Got some new one here. This is from Daniel Carpenter Mustang Restoration Parts. It's a 23 tooth gear. The speedometer in the car is reading about 10% high, and you can change these gears to a different number of teeth. The one in the car has 20 teeth. This is 23. So this should slow down the speedometer needle. I'm going to slide under the car and show you where this is and how to do it. You can't see this real good, but that's zoomed in on the back of the transmission where the cable runs into it. There's one 3/8 headed bolt there that I need to pull out. It's not real tight. All it does is hold a little clamp to keep that cable unit in the trans. Okay, that's off, and then the cable should pull right out like that. And the gear is on the end of it. Hang on, some more light. The gear is held on to the end of the cable with a clip. Looking for my screwdriver, here it is. And all you need to do is pry this little clip off of here. Like that. And then you pull the gear off and slide the new gear on. Replace the clip. That should snap into position. Okay, it's on. It doesn't come off. So now we slide it back into the transmission. Make sure it's in all the way. Feels like it is. So now I can put the clip back on. Okay, that bolt is tight. The job is done. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. I hope you learned how to change your own speedometer cable. This happened to be on a Ford, but a lot of other companies have the same type of setup. Stay tuned to my channel for other videos on other projects. Bye.